In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SurveyMonkey step by step so you can create a survey, customize it, publish it, share it, and then review your responses with confidence. Whether you're building a customer feedback form, a school project, an employee poll, or a simple questionnaire, SurveyMonkey makes the process pretty straightforward once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the SurveyMonkey homepage. Once you're there, you'll land in the Projects area, which is where you can start and manage your surveys. This is your main workspace, so if you ever get lost, coming back here is a good place to reset and start over. From this page, look for the option to begin creating a survey. SurveyMonkey usually makes templates easy to access, which is great because it saves time and gives you a starting point instead of building everything from scratch. Next, click on Pick a Popular Template. This is helpful if you want a survey that already has a structure built in. Templates are useful for things like customer satisfaction, event feedback, product research, and more. Instead of designing every question one by one, you can choose a layout that already matches your goal. Once you click that option, SurveyMonkey will bring up a list of available templates. Now browse through the templates and click on any template that fits what you need. Take a moment here because the template you choose can shape the whole survey experience. If you're collecting quick opinions, choose something simple. If you need detailed feedback, choose a more advanced format. After you open a template, review the sample questions and layout so you can see how the survey is organized. When you've found the one you want, click Use this template. That will open the survey editor and let you start modifying the questions. This is where your survey begins to take shape. You can change the wording, remove questions you don't need, and add new ones that better fit your purpose. If you want cleaner data, make sure your questions are clear and specific. Simple language usually gets better responses. Now click on any question you want to edit. SurveyMonkey lets you adjust the question text, answer choices, and sometimes even the question type depending on what you need. For example, you might change a multiple choice question to a rating scale or rewrite a question so it sounds more natural. This step is important because the better your questions are, the better your results will be. Take your time here and make sure each question helps you get useful information. Once your survey looks the way you want, click Publish Survey. Publishing makes your survey ready to send out and collect responses. Before you publish, it's always a good idea to do one last review so you can catch typos, confusing wording, or missing questions. After you publish, your survey becomes active and ready to share. After publishing, click on Share a Link. This is one of the easiest ways to send your survey to people. SurveyMonkey will generate a shareable link that you can post in an email, message, website, social media post, or anywhere your audience can access it. If you're sending the survey to a group, this link makes distribution fast and simple. Then copy the link and share it with your audience. This is the step that actually gets your survey in front of real people. You can paste it into an email, share it in a chat, or add it to a web page. If you want more responses, make the invitation clear and tell people why their feedback matters. A short message can go a long way in increasing participation. Finally, once responses start coming in, click on Analyze Results to view all the responses you receive. This is where SurveyMonkey helps you make sense of the data. You can review charts, summaries, and individual answers depending on the survey setup. If you're using the results for a report, presentation, or decision-making, this section is where the real value comes in. And that's how to use SurveyMonkey from start to finish. You've learned how to open the homepage, choose a template, edit questions, publish your survey, share the link, and analyze the results. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.